Connectivity to the internet is also possible via a dongle attached to the boxes. And here we are talking about 24 million boxes, television sets, for the over 24 million households that have television sets today in Nigeria. And believe me, not even 20 set-top manufacturers can comfortably produce the initial requirements to fit the market. Furthermore, our position in West Africa, coupled with our size, makes us the definite source of these products for the whole sub-region. B, television production alone can create about 200,000 jobs. Digitization will make it possible to have at least 180 state channels, 30 regional channels, and at least 10 national channels, catering for local music, news, film, children programming, and sports, among others. This will create better competition because with the audience measurement and media monitoring system put in place, you can now measure which programs people are watching so that value is rewarded. Digitization will also enhance the full propagation of local content being emphasized by the National Broadcasting Commission. Consequently, more people will go into the TV production business. C, film production can generate between 350 and 400,000 jobs. Just as Nollywood moved from VHS tapes to VCD and DVD, with DSO, it will now move to push and subscription video on demand on the set-top boxes and online, thus curbing piracy, making distribution cheaper and easier, and putting more money into the pockets of film producers, who will in turn create more films of better quality, ultimately surpassing the current 2,000 movies a year that are being produced. The number of writers, lighting, sound, camera technicians, editors, actors and actresses, costume makers, etc., will grow exponentially. And the over 24 million digital TV households will become Nollywood customers in a more transparent, closer, and formal manner due to digital distribution. D, as an extension to the booming production business, another 200,000 jobs can be created as Nigeria finally grows the capacity to meet the quality demand of fully indigenous content creations, which will bring back the over $100 million currently exported to South Africa, Europe, and the United States by Nigerian producers, while at the same time seamlessly expanding the tourism potential of Nigeria, as the rest of Africa will come to Nigeria for high quality production. E, distribution. To supply the market with set-top boxes, televisions and dongles required for internet connection, Nigeria will need at least 100,000 wholesalers, retailers, electricians, installers, marketers, and payment solution providers in order to cover the entire country. F, television and online advertising can create a further 50,000 jobs. The concept of advertising will become more local than national because you can target customers at the bottom of the income bracket with products specific to their needs and location. And of course, fast-moving consumer goods will have more forensic proof of their customers and what they watch and where they are. G. Finally, with a successful DSO, the problem of internet connection to every home will finally be solved. The set-top box is in every home, will deliver internet and consequently access and commerce to every home. Apps will be created to offer goods and services and for interaction and entertainment at every level. Most importantly, the spectrum that is freed up by digitization will become much more monetizable by the mobile data companies and therefore more valuable to the government. This is also capable of creating a further 200,000 jobs by internet entrepreneurs. Please know that I have not even touched on education and training for the industry, financing its various facets via venture capital and direct infrastructure requirements, as well as equipment, management, and all consulting services. The foreign exchange earnings from selling and distributing our films, music, and TV shows all over the world, and the foreign direct investments into the country by companies looking for a slice of the last frontier. What about the boost to the advertising industry that will finally bring to the level that our GDP dictates? I have no doubt in my mind that a successful DSO is not just a job spinner, creating over 1 million jobs in 3 years, but also a money spinner. The challenge to all of us now is to make the process a success.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.